Bananas, scientifically known as Musa acuminata, are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent heart disease. The high fiber content in bananas can improve digestion and relieve constipation, promoting healthy bowel movements. Bananas contain vitamin C, which supports immune system function and aids in the absorption of iron. The antioxidants in bananas, such as dopamine and catechins, can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Bananas are a good source of vitamin B6, which plays a role in brain function and may help prevent depression. The combination of fiber and natural sugars in bananas make them a great pre-workout snack, providing sustained energy. Bananas are a good source of magnesium, which can improve bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Eating bananas can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. The tryptophan in bananas can help improve mood and promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. Bananas are a low-fat, low-calorie snack that can aid in weight loss when incorporated into a healthy diet. The vitamin A in bananas supports healthy vision and can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. The high potassium content in bananas can help reduce the risk of kidney stones and improve kidney function. Eating bananas can help improve sleep quality, thanks to their high content of magnesium and tryptophan. The antioxidants in bananas can help protect against certain types of cancer, such as colorectal cancer. Bananas are a good source of choline, a nutrient that can help improve memory and cognitive function. The natural sugars in bananas can help reduce sugar cravings and provide a healthy alternative to processed sweets. Eating bananas can help reduce the risk of stroke and improve overall cardiovascular health. The fiber in bananas can help reduce inflammation in the gut and improve symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease.